Hi everyone, welcome back to Agriculture Engineering channel. In this video, we are going to learn important bits in agriculture properties and processing of seeds. These bits are very important in ICAR examinations and AP ESET and other competitive exams related to agriculture engineering. Okay, let's start. The first bit, angle of repose of paddy. You know that angle of repose of paddy 30 to 45 degrees. Next, terminal velocity of corn. It's a very important bit. Terminal velocity of corn 9 to 11.5 meter per second. Next, platform scale method is used for measurement of dash of large objectives. Platform scale method is generally used for finding the volume of large objectives and density of large objectives and specific gravity of large objectives. So all of the above. Next, the scalper is used in a seed processing plant for remove excess trash. Okay. Next, in the stoner, rocks and mud walls are discharged. These rocks and mud are foreign material. These are discharged at high end. Okay. Next, scalping reel is provided in scalping aspirator. Scalping reel is a component in scalping aspirator. Okay. Next, the number of moving components in spiral separator are nil because there is a no moving part in spiral separator. It's a vertical shaft, okay, and attached with number of plates or screws. Okay. Next, in the velvet roll mill, the rough seeds are discharged at beginning. Okay, to move the seed rapidly over the screen, dash is useful in a screen cleaner. Pitch is useful for because pitch is depends means the movement of seed rapidly is depends on pitch of the screen. Okay. Next, in an air screen cleaner, the fourth screen is close grading screen. First screen scalping, second one grading, third one close scalping, fourth one close grading screen. So answer is fourth screen is close grading screen. Next, the gravity separator is may be classified under a separating and upgrading. The name itself gravity separator. So it's a separating mission. Separate the seeds and separate the good seeds from other seeds. Okay. So gravity separator is a separating and upgrading mission. Okay. Next, the basic mission in almost seed processing plant. The basic mission, it's a compulsory mission in every seed processing plant, is called air screen cleaner. Okay. Next, the mission which separate the seed by length. Okay, don't confuse. By length means indented cylinder separator. Okay. By only width, taking only width is precision grader. Okay. Next, the seed treatment which controls the spores on the surface of the seeds. Spores means little holes, small holes. Okay. Spores on the surface of seeds without being a penetrated is known as seed disinfection. Okay. Next, specific gravity separator of tolerant is a ratio of weight of tolerant to the weight of water. Okay. Next, unit density of wheat 998 to 1235 kg per meter cube. It's a unit density of wheat. Okay. Next, the machine used to rough clean seed is scalper. The maize sheller comes under a conditioning and pre-cleaning. Okay. Maize sheller comes under a conditioning and pre-cleaning equipment. Okay. Next, optimum moisture content wet basis for paddy harvesting. While paddy is harvesting, the moisture content should be 20 to 22%. Okay. The percentage of hull in paddy grain 20 its weight 20 means 20% by weight. The percentage of protein by weight in pulse is 17 to 20%. The density and specific gravity of grain is essentially for, means density and specific gravities are very important while calculating the thermal diffusivity and calculating the pneumatic and hydraulic characteristics and determine the Reynolds numbers. So all are the correct. Next, geometric mean diameter of particle is known as equivalent diameter. Next, specific gravity of grain is determined by pycnometer, specific gravity bottle, both A and B. Okay. Next, the frictional force existing between surfaces in relative motion. Don't confuse. Its relative motion is called kinetic. With static motion means static friction. So it's a moving, it's a motion. Relative motion is called kinetic friction. Airflow planimeter is used to measure a surface area of the any seed, means seed like. Okay, airflow planimeter is used for measure the surface area of the any seed. Okay. Next, the ratio of stress to the corresponding strain below the proportional limit is called modulus of elasticity. Next, terminal velocity of car 8.5 meter per second. Value of flow function for easy flow is 10 greater than ff. Ff means free flowing greater than 4. Okay. Next, the angle of repose is generally higher than the angle of internal friction for the grains of approximately same moisture content. So angle of repose is higher than the angle of internal friction. In an air screen cleaner, the third screen, I told already, first screen is scalping, second is grading, third is closed scalping. Here asking third screen, so closed scalping screen. Next one, the second phase in seed processing is conditioning and pre-cleaning. Next, the device that is used to remove the bulk of trash and large stones from the seeds is called scalper. The component that is used to prevent the clogging of screens in a air screen cleaner is screen brushes. So screen brushes are used to prevent the clogging any stones like foreign materials. These brushes are used for prevent the clogging of screens. Okay. Next, the type of pockets are used to remove the broken rice from the whole rice. Which pockets are pockets? Okay. Next, the aspirator has a fan at a discharge end. Aspirator is a machine. The fan is fixed at a discharge end. The type of separator consists of a series of discs mounted on a hollow vertical shaft is called spiral separator. The process of mixing of two or more dissimilar portions of seed to produce a overall uniformity is called blending. The type of conveyor which requires a high power and high initial cost for installation is called pneumatic conveyor. In buckhorn machine, the moistened seed is mixed with sawdust, not iron powder and sand. Okay, buckhorn machine, the moistened seed is mixed with sawdust. The disc separator separates the material on the basis of length. Disc separator separates the seeds by length. Spiral separator, it separates the basis on roundness. Okay, spiral separator roundness, disc separator length. Inclined dropper separate the material on the basis of shape and surface texture. Next, magnetic separator, it separates the surface texture and thickness. The cyclone separator, the centrifugal force is directly proportional to the weight of the particle. So next, dash is a measure of sharpness of the solid material. We need to find any sharpness of the seeds, so we can use a roundness method. Roundness is a measure of sharpness of solid material. The circular platform method is used to determine the angle of repose. So circular platform method is used for angle of repose. The thermal conductivity of single grain is 0.3 to 0.6 kilocalories per meter per hour degree Celsius. Okay, thank you everyone.